Good morning students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at home. Today we are going to start our chapter 4, which is birds and their features.
Chapter 4, Birds and their features. Firstly, I want to tell you about the features of a bird. A bird has a beak, two eyes, two wings, a tail, two legs and claws. As we know, we have feet to stand and to walk. The birds normally fly, but sometimes they stand on their claws to eat, to swim, to perch, to climb, and to protect themselves. Now, what are claws? The claws of a bird are the thin, hard, curved nails at the end of its feet. The function of the claws are to hold the branch, to hold their prey. What do you mean by prey? Prey is an animal hunted for food. Claws help the bird to climb up trees, help the birds to walk and run on ground, help the birds to scratch for seeds and worms. Different birds have different type of claws. It depends on the food habits, types of nest and the type of movement. Depending upon the structure of claws, the bird can be classified as perching birds, climbing birds, praying birds, scratching birds, wading birds, and the last one is swimming birds. The smallest bird is hummingbird. Largest egg belongs to ostrich. Firstly, we will discuss about the perching birds. Perch means a place where a bird sits, a thing which is used to sit. Birds like crow, sparrow, etc. perch and hop on the branches. They have 3 toes in the front and 1 toe at the back. Such toes help them to hold the branches firmly. They hop on the ground and can even sleep while perching. Students, as we can see in the picture, the feet of a crow is given. 3 toes are in the front and 1 toe at the back. Such type of toes help the birds to perch on the branch. Second category is climbing birds. Birds like woodpecker and parrots have 2 toes pointing upward and 2 downwards. Such toes help them to climb up the trees. Third, praying birds. Those birds which eat flesh. Birds like eagles, hawks, etc. have long and sharp claws to catch and hold their prey. The claws of praying birds are called talons. As we can see in the picture, the sharp talons are showing. Such type of talons or claws, we can say, help an eagle to catch their prey very easily. Fourth category is scratching birds. By the name scratching, it is clear to scratch something. Birds like hens use their claws to scratch the earth for seeds and worms. Such birds are called scratching birds. They have sharp and hard claws with 3 toes in front and 1 toe at the back. These birds can both walk and run on the ground. Fifth category is wading birds. Birds like cranes, herons walk in shallow water, especially in search of food. Such birds are called wading birds. These birds have long legs and wide spreading toes. These toes keep the feet from sinking in the soft mud. As we can see in the pictures, such birds have long or tall legs with the spreading toes so that they can walk in shallow water to catch their prey. Sixth and the last one is swimming or aquatic birds. Birds like ducks and swans swim in water. Such birds are called swimming or aquatic birds. These birds have webbed feet. These feet help them to paddle and push water while swimming.